Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clean your C drive in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. First thing, you just need to right click on the recycle bin and select the empty recycle bin guys. Select yes. You need to make sure your recycle bin is empty. After doing this, the second step, you just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. In here you just need to select clean up system files. This will help you to find all the leftover and unwanted junks on your C drive guys. Now you just need to check mark all of these in here, and after doing this select OK to delete all of these. Select delete files. After finishing this, let's move on to the third step guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open the settings. On left side select system, on right side select storage. In here you just need to make sure the storage sense is turned on. If it is turned off, you just need to turn it on guys. This will help you to clean up unnecessary files on your system. And after doing these three steps, you can check how much free space you get from C drive. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.